Hello, my name is Kyle Lajeski, America's leader for primary storage, and today I want to demonstrate our latest addition to the Flash go-to-market, the Minute Clinic Proposal Machine. As you know, fundamental to our go-to-market is our pitch, assess, propose, and close selling motion. To accelerate the creation of our proposals, we have created an automated online tool. This is what the homepage of the tool looks like once you click the URL. You grab the link, get help here, meet the doctor, and outline your symptoms. And not that different from going to CVS when you're not feeling so well. You can see a doctor, get a prescription, and be out with a turnkey proposal in under an hour. Let's look at an abridged version here. Today, we have a 7-year proposal option. In the future, we will likely offer 3 and 5-year versions. I'll click the link and I will save as the Excel document that will become the template I will work from. Once the Excel opens up, you'll see 4 tabs. Very easy to edit and very easy to update. I'm going to start with the first tab after I enable edits, and I'm also going to go ahead and enable the content. That's really going to allow the macros to work and facilitate the output. In this case, I will call this customer example. I'll then go on to the next tab and I'll outline some of the environment details. This is a test. Here is an outcome. And as you can see, I will go from the business challenge to the business value, or the before and the after, as I kind of walk through the overarching business challenges and business values or business outcomes. And then I'll key in on some of the technical and operational challenges, out of space, or 2x faster response time, and so on and so forth, all free form. As you can see, I can't really click or edit anything outside of these key boxes, so it's pretty easy to leverage the tool. Down here, I'll have an idea of what my 1-year spend might be. I can edit this right from the TCO, and we'll show you how to do that in just a moment, but I can freehand and key in any of the changes to the numbers or metrics in this summary slide. When I'm done with the word or text input, I now have a picture of the technical, operational, and financial business as usual situation and the technical, operational, and financial proposed situation. I can then go to the TCO. I can easily start to edit for EMC arrays that may have a maintenance end date of 2016 that might cost, I don't know, $280,000 per year. I can maybe get competitive information from the customer. Hitachi VSP that may expire on April of 2017, and the run rate might be $400,000 a piece. I can change the year-over-year growth of that maintenance from 10% a year to 12% a year. I can do expansions and upgrades. I can measure power and cooling. Essentially any financial input I want to add here, I can freehand in here. I'll get the cash flow per year. I'll get the cumulative cash flow below. I'll get the business as usual over the 7-year term. If I want a shorter term, I can just not populate years 6 and 7 for the time being, and I'll get a net present value of business as usual. I can change the customer cost of capital as well. If I'm not selling Extreme IO in this case, maybe I'm selling a VMAX All Flash. I can demonstrate that. I can easily change the price points to whatever I want them to be, and I automatically update with expect more. I can obviously change the maintenance renewal numbers and get, again, a cash flow, a cumulative cash flow, a net present value, a cost of capital, and obviously a TCO savings and an ROI. As you'll notice, I can't really click outside the box, keeping it very simple and not that difficult to make a mistake because I can only edit editable fields. I'll then move on to the pricing tab. I'll always want to show kind of how I got to the number because customers really perceive that they're getting a good deal or not a good deal based on how you explain to them that you got to the number. So I might start with an $8 million list price. What's built in the tool is a 30% standard discount. If I want to make that 35%, no problem. Then I will go ahead and identify some additional discounts. Maybe that customer buys below a standard discount, again, making that feel like it's a more aggressive discount. Maybe it might not be a strategic, but it might be a global customer discount. I can change that text, no problem. I'll always show some kind of trade in here because I don't want to get hit by the depreciation police down to the 11th hour of my campaign. So I want to make sure that's demonstrated almost everywhere. Whether we're actually picking up the gear or not, I definitely want to avoid the financial objection by including an equipment trade-in on every deal. And I'll get to a net price here. And then lastly, we put together the top 10 list for reasons on why EMC, why now. If you think that your customer doesn't agree with certain points, or maybe there's something more specific to their income environment, I can custom edit any one of these lines here. Now I'm done. I've literally populated everything I need to complete this proposal. I'm going to go ahead and save this Excel document. I'm going to get back to my tool. Over here, I'm going to go to the Generate Proposal, and I'm going to literally navigate to the Excel document that I just created. The Excel document is here. I'm going to open up that Excel document. In this case, I'm going to assume that I have completed a flash, or that I have not completed a flash assessment. I'm going to leave it blank. And I'm going to go ahead and click Generate Proposal. As the web services calls are happening in the background, my proposal will be generated. And here it is at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to open up that proposal, and what do you know? It's a well-formatted, well-thought-out, highly consistent, but very customizable proposal. You'll see my customer name extended here in customer example. My this is a test and here is an outcome. My out of space and 2 times faster. My change of the numbers. My updates of the TCO here on EMC and HDS. My cost of capital. My total cost of ownership and savings. All branded now with the Dell EMC branding. And on the second slide, you'll notice I did not upload a KPI or a flash assessment slide. The beauty is when that is left blank, I will upload the 400 assessment average that we completed across all of the second quarter. These are the typical metrics a customer will see in before and after with Flash. As I go down here, I'll see my pricing updated, and I'll see even the customized changes I made here in the Why EMC, Why Now section. And then it'll be summarized and expect more. The beauty is that if I find an error or an edit or a challenge, I can literally go back and I can make a real-time edit to that original Minute Clinic Excel document. Let's say this economics was the wrong item, and I wanted to make an edit here. I'll save it, no problem. I'll go back to the proposal machine. I will browse the folder once more. I will go ahead and grab that same template, and let's say this time I did do a flash assessment. As you guys will see, in the flash assessment outputs, you will always get a KPI slide in PowerPoint form. All you have to do to upload your flash assessment is save this demo example PowerPoint as a JPEG. File, save as JPEG. That JPEG will live anywhere on your PC and looks just the same in a different file format. I'll just navigate where it says, please upload the KPI slide. I will go ahead and find the flash assessment demo, and I will open up the file, click Generate Proposal. Now I'll go back through the web services calls process that are happening in the background. I'll save the document and I'll open it again. As you know, I didn't make any changes to the front page, but I did make changes to the back page. This was the wrong item, and you can see that bled through. And obviously this was now a KPI slide. It became the demo example assessment input. Very dynamic, very easy to create proposals, and I can literally load these up one after another and complete these in under an hour. This is the Minute Clinic, and these can be completed in any one of your district proposal factories. Thanks, and have a great day.